to fill you in with some fun little football-shaped potatoes. Friends, this is the one you've been waiting for. Peruvian stuffed potato, also known as papa rellena. There are many ways to make it, and this one is made with beef. Let me show you how it's done. You will need 2 pounds of potatoes, half cup of diced onion, half cup of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of minced parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ají amarillo, 1 tablespoon of ají panca, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, limes, half teaspoon of cumin, salt, 1/4 tablespoon of oregano, black pepper, olive oil, vegetable oil, 1/4 cup raisins, 1 cup flour, 4 eggs. Boil your potatoes until you pierce your fork through them. And while that's going on, in a saucepan, heat the oil over high heat. Add the onion and cook over low to medium heat. Then stir in your garlic. Add salt, pepper, oregano, cumin. Then add your ají panca and your ají amarillo and continue stirring. This is the part where you add the ground beef. You stir it up, you cover the saucepan, and don't forget your salt and pepper. Make sure you make it right because that's where the magic happens, right in the seasoning. And you cook over low heat for about 15 minutes and stirring every now and then. Add your raisins and parsley, then turn off the heat. I love raisins. And voila, there you go. There's your mix. Don't forget your chopped eggs. Stir it up. And that is your filling for your papa rellena. Peel the potatoes while they're hot so you can mash them up easily. You can mash them up one by one or put them through a ricer. Make sure they are smooth, and salt and pepper to taste. Then let the mash rest in the fridge for at least an hour or best overnight. With floured hands, knead the potatoes for a few seconds. Flatten potatoes on a plate and slice into eighths. If you want smaller appetizers, slice into 16ths. Roll the dough into a ball and press inwards with fingers to create a bowl-like shape. With a spoon, put a portion of the meat filling in the center of the potato round. I put 2 tablespoons in the bigger beef-filled potato and 1 tablespoon for the smaller one. Don't forget your Peruvian purple olive. It makes such a difference. I love that. And then close it up and form your little football shape. Put the flour in a bowl. Mix the 2 extra eggs in a separate bowl. Then, with clean hands, lightly coat the roll in flour. Then cover with eggs and fry in a hot pan with hot oil until the potato forms a thin golden crust-like layer. Move around every now and then to make sure every side becomes a beautiful golden brown. If you want appetizer-sized bites, then this is exactly what you do. You split the portion in half and follow the same instructions. Very simple. The only difference is the meat filling. Instead of 2 tablespoons, you do 1 tablespoon. That is all. Oh, and don't forget the olive. You can do half an olive, or if you are olive obsessed, you can put 2. To drain the oil, lay the potato over the paper towels. Now for the salsa criolla. You can chill the onion in ice water for a little while to reduce the bitterness. Julienne your onion and add chopped cilantro, olive oil, and lime juice. Salt and pepper to taste. You can make it spicy by adding slices of ají amarillo and red pepper for color. Let's see what it's gonna be. Interesting, very nice. Came out just right. I'd like to see you try this at home and let me know what you think right in the comments below. I paired it with the cilantro rocoto sauce, which I will link in the video if you like the spice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.